What's up, everyone? We picked up this luxury flip in FishHawk, which is in Lithia, Florida. Super excited about it. Just want to give you a sneak peek at the before. So we'll run you through it real quick. Carpet. Most of the property is outdated, right? It's 3,700 square foot, 4-bedroom, 4-bath, bonus room, gold handles everywhere, carpet. You can see some things here need to be updated, right? So that's the master bedroom. We're going to take care of that. We're going to dial in this master bath. Just older cabinets everywhere, older mirrors, older fixtures. We're going to dial this all in, wow factor to the max, right? So everything brand new. Does need some 4-point items. We're going to give it a new roof, new HVAC. Plumbing's good, electrical's good, so we don't have to worry about that. But you can see these gold handles. We actually have our designer. We're going to have our designer come in and design this whole flip from start to finish. So, you know, we're good at buying and selling real estate, but you know, we need the professional for the design, especially on a luxury flip like this. ARV is probably around 1.1, so we really got to dial this in. And so here's the stone. Like I said, all new cabinets, all new stone. Probably going to level that out, right? Make that flat, get rid of that step up on that countertop there. There's the HVAC up in the ceiling. We're going to take a look at the hot water tank here. Probably going to go insta hot, right? So we get a tankless water heater there. And then just a quick look at the bedrooms. Right? So bedroom 1, obviously paint, some new ceiling fans, new hardware. Here's a Jack and Jill bath. Need to update this. No problem. Here's the other bedroom attached to the Jack and Jill bath. Same thing. Get rid of the carpet, paint, and new ceiling fans. And then here's back out in the living room. We're gonna look at that pool deck. That pool deck needs a lot of help. And so we're gonna be really focused on that. I'm not sure if we're gonna go stone, you know, put pavers down or travertine or something like that, or if we're just gonna fix the deck. That's to be determined. Living room, again, flooring. And then here's another bathroom. Got to update all of this. New shower, new flooring, new paint. Get rid of all those gold fixtures. Here's that bonus room. I love this bonus room. So it's right off the outdoor kitchen, which you'll see in a second. But just need to add a fan there, new paint, new flooring. Nothing crazy. And then here's that outdoor kitchen. That needs some help. We're going to really make that shine. And so here's that 4th bedroom. Same thing, new fan, new paint. We can take care of that. Here's the outdoor lanai/pool deck that needs some work. The pool looks fantastic. It's holding water. Definitely needs some help. Needs a little love. Pool screen. Hopefully we can just pressure wash those screens and they'll come clean. And you know, pool obviously needs some work. This is going to be the showstopper. This outdoor kitchen, same thing. We're going to completely renovate that, get that all looking good. Here's the backyard. This backyard is fantastic. Love this backyard. It's huge, fenced in, plenty of room for whatever you need. And then just a little sneak peek at the pool, right? So it just needs to be cleaned. We'll get that all tightened up. Looks to be holding water good. So no issues there. And obviously we'll get that tested out just to make sure, because that hose is laying in there. So that gives you a little bit of concern of why is the hose in there. And then outside, when we paint, you know, our painters when we do the exterior paint job, they'll take care of all of these cracks, all these pop nails, not a problem. Missing a cover there, we'll take care of that. Here's the outdoor HVAC condensers. We're gonna update those, get those with high efficient units. And then the fence must have taken a little bit of beating during the hurricane, so missing a little section there. However, section is right behind the house there. I'm not sure if it's gonna be usable. We'll figure that out. And then here's that backyard again. Love this backyard. It's fantastic. Here's a little preview of just kind of walking the backyard. Very quiet, very peaceful. Really enjoyed walking this property. Happy that we got it under contract. Looking to close the first week of December and really get this going. So again, just some minor stuff outside. Not a big deal. Some nail pops. I spin you around and show you the pool equipment here. Anyways, guys, super excited about this project. More to come.